There's a tool built into every Shopify store that most merchants barely use. It's called Sidekick. What is Sidekick? It's Shopify's AI-enabled e-commerce assistant. It's free, it's already in your admin, and most merchants have no idea how powerful it actually is. If you just started on Shopify or you've been here for years, on either way, there's stuff in here you probably haven't seen yet. The merchants who use Sidekick to its full potential move their Shopify store faster and do more with less. We're covering 20 things across 2 videos. 10 in part 1 right here, 10 in part 2. But fair warning, we move quickly. Make sure you save this video and come back to it later when needed. And treat it like a monthly routine for your store. Everything we're about to show you is already sitting in your admin, ready to use for free. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with sales, because that's the whole reason you built a Shopify store in the first place. Let us show you how to use Sidekick correctly to analyze your sales. Pretend it's the first week of the month, you pull up your dashboard, and your sales are down 15%. You're sitting there trying to figure out if it's the season, a product issue, or just bad luck. You might think the best action is to spend an hour analyzing your results in spreadsheets, or maybe you chuckle nervously and hope for the best next month. But there's an easier, more efficient option, and it's right on Shopify. Open Sidekick and type, "Give me a full breakdown of this month's sales performance and tell me what changed." Watch what happens next. Sidekick pulls your actual store data, compares it to the prior period, identifies where the change happened, and gives you an explanation for the sales decrease. Now, what used to be a dreaded or time-consuming analytics session is a 10-second prompt. No manual math required. Pro tip, don't stop there. Immediately follow up with, "What should I do about it?" And Sidekick goes from diagnosis straight into recommendations in the same conversation. You get the what and the so what in one sitting. Number 2, and this one helps you analyze and increase a core metric, average order value, AOV, or how much a customer spends per transaction. It's not the flashiest number, but it is one of the most powerful levers in your entire store because increasing it doesn't require a single new customer. Instead, it increases the average spend amount per customer order, allowing you to make more money without spending more money. The problem is that most advice on increasing AOV is generic. Try upsells, add a bundle, but that's only half helpful. You're left wondering, for which products? At what price point? For which customers? Luckily, Sidekick can help you fill in those blanks. Try this Sidekick prompt. What can I do this week to increase my average order value? What you get back is personalized feedback after Sidekick analyzes your catalog, your pricing, and your customer purchasing patterns. Then, it tells you specifically which products are natural candidates for selling as a bundle, which price thresholds your customers would be comfortable with, and what's realistic to implement this week. Let's do some quick math to make this simple. A $5 increase in AOV across 200 orders a month is $1,000. That's $12,000 a year from one conversation that took 30 seconds. See how easy that was? Number 3 is something that used to cost a lot of money: professional product photos. You have your product and maybe a few photos you took with your phone. What you don't have is those beautifully curated and professional-looking photos to really make each one shine. But now you can with the help of Sidekick. Once you've uploaded your original product photo, click on the image. Then click on Generate on the lower right corner. Try a prompt like, "Take this product image and make it look like a professional photo shoot." Place it on a marble counter in natural lighting and in a lifestyle setting. You just successfully changed your background. But you can even edit your actual image. You can change the colors, add or remove items, and even the text. Now, the specificity of your prompt directly determines the quality of the images you get back. Vague prompting can result in a generic image, but getting more specific will help generate photos that look really good. Include details like the surface you want it shot on, the exact colors, the lighting mood, the angle, whether you want props or negative space, overhead angle, soft natural light, linen fabric background. Minimal styling is a completely different image than product hero shot, dramatic side lighting, dark moody tones. Try a few variations. Figure out what your brand actually looks like before you commit to a full shoot, or replace the shoot entirely. When you're done, press save, then exit to go back to your product page. By the way, Sidekick is free and built into every Shopify plan. You already have access to it, nothing to download. Not on Shopify yet? There's a trial link below if you want to explore. Okay, back to it. Number 4, Let's talk about all the promotions you've thought about running and then didn't. Not because you didn't want to, but because opening up the discount section, filling everything out, setting the dates, it's just enough of a task that the idea never makes it to an actual campaign. Sidekick changes that completely. Think about how many times you've had the idea for a sale, a "we hit 1,000 orders" kind of moment, or even a seasonal promo, but then didn't follow through because setting up the actual discount became yet another task on your endless to-do list. We know it's not hard, but it's enough that the idea dies before it becomes a campaign. Here's the prompt. Create a 15% off discount for my sale items collection this weekend, automatically applied at checkout. Sidekick navigates to the discount section and fills in every field. The name of the promo, the discount value, which products it applies to, customer eligibility, minimum purchase requirements, and whether it can be combined with other promos. It'll also set the start and end dates for the promotion, so it's only active when you want it to be. All you do is review and it's done. And here's the thing, when it's this easy, you actually run the promotions instead of just thinking about them. Number 5, we're diving into finessing your product descriptions. Perhaps not the ones you agonized over when you first launched. Those are probably fine. But the ones you tried to write at midnight when you were adding your 15th product of the day and just needed to ship it. Does it read like a spec sheet? Multiple punctuated sentences with little substance? We get it, but Google doesn't care about spec sheets and neither do customers. Prompt. Write a detailed product description for this name of the product. It should describe what makes it unique and why the customer would want to purchase it. Optimize it for search. Not only does Sidekick write the full description, it will also take edits or suggestions to improve and refine the content. Now, here's the real hack. Tell Sidekick your brand voice once and save it so you never have to explain it again. Open a Sidekick conversation and type /, then click New Skill. Give your skill a name like Brand Voice and add your specific instructions. Something like clean and minimal, bold and playful, or warm and conversational. The more specific you are, the better it performs. Think about your target customer, your tone, words you always use, words you never want to see. Every detail you give it now is a correction you won't have to make later. When you're done, hit save. From now on, anytime you want copy written in your brand voice, just start your prompt in the Sidekick chat with /brand voice and then write your request. Sidekick will apply those instructions to everything it writes in that session. No re-explaining, no inconsistency, just on-brand copy every time. If you want to learn more about skills, we cover them in depth later in this video, so make sure you stick around. Number 6, using Sidekick to write marketing emails, on-brand, store-specific, and ready to send. Email is still the highest ROI channel in e-commerce, and most store owners know they should be sending more but just aren't. It's not laziness. But who has the energy to write a catchy and enticing marketing email at 9 p.m. after running a business all day? Let's fix that. Here's the Sidekick prompt. Write a promotional email for my new limited edition collection launch. Tone is calm but exciting, with a bit of FOMO. At the end of the email, mention my top 3 best-selling products in the last 30 days with a limited 48-hour 15% discount promo code. You give it the product, the goal, and the tone. Subject line options, body copy, a clear CTA, it writes the whole thing. Important to note, don't paste and send a copy without reading it. Add a personal detail, a behind-the-scenes line, something only you would know. The first draft is Sidekick's. That last 10% is yours, and it's the part that makes it actually connect. Number 7, inventory management. This sounds boring until you realize how much money bad inventory decisions are actually costing you. Every store hits a point where inventory decisions stop being obvious. You've got products flying off the shelves, products that haven't moved in months, and a whole middle section you're not sure what to do with. Figuring out what to restock, what to cut, and what to bundle usually means pulling data from multiple places and doing math you don't have time for. Here's the Sidekick prompt to fix it. Tell me which products to restock, which are dead weight, and what my sell-through rate looks like across collections. What comes back is a full inventory health report. Restock candidates ranked by sales velocity and volume. Dead stock flagged with action recommendations, discount, bundle, or remove, and sell-through rates by collection. And the follow-up questions it asks, lead time, sales channels, whether certain products are intentional, mean you're getting the insights you need for your store's specific situation. Dead stock costs money. Stockouts cost sales. Most merchants live somewhere between those two problems without realizing it. One conversation with Sidekick and you know exactly where you stand, what to cut and what to restock. Because at the end of the day, bad inventory decisions don't just waste money, they cost you sales. This prompt fixes both. Number 8, customer segments, because not every customer is the same, and you shouldn't be marketing to them like they are. The more your list grows, the harder it gets to know who's who. And who's who is everything. Win-back campaigns, VIP offers, loyalty emails, they all work a lot better when they're going to the right person. The problem is finding those people manually gets overwhelming fast. This is how you can build a customer segment with Sidekick. Step 1. Open Sidekick. From anywhere in your Shopify admin, open Sidekick from the sidebar under Sidekick Conversations. Step 2. Type your prompt. Tell Sidekick what kind of customers you want to find. In this example, type, "Show me customers who never purchased." Step 3. Review what Sidekick finds. Sidekick will identify the segment and show you a summary. In this case, 416 customers who signed up but never bought. It'll also tell you exactly why this segment matters and what to do with it. Step 4. Click Create a Segment. Hit the Create a Segment button directly inside the Sidekick panel. It'll navigate you to the segments page and build the query automatically. No manual filtering required. Step 5. Review the segment. You'll land on a new segment page showing the full customer list and the logic Sidekick built. Verify it looks right. Step 6. Save it. Click Save at the top of the page. A pop-up will appear. Save as new segment. Name it something clear like Never Purchased and click Save. That's it. Your segment is built, saved, and ready to use in your next email campaign. Number 9, and scrap everything you thought you knew about designing your store theme. Before Sidekick, changing the look and feel of your store meant knowing where every setting lived or hiring a designer who could build your store for you. Either way, less than ideal. Now, theme updates can be made with a prompt in Sidekick. Here's the prompt. Make my store feel more premium. Darker tones, more white space, update the hero section. Sidekick will take you to the online store editor. Confirm with Sidekick you're there, and it'll start applying edits based on your prompt. You'll see the changes as they are being built and have the ability to tweak more with Sidekick or approve. It can also generate custom blocks. Entirely new content sections you can drop into your storefront and configure however you want. So you're not limited to rearranging what's already there. If you need deep custom functionality that doesn't exist in your theme, you'll still want a developer. But the baseline of what you can adjust yourself with a prompt is dramatically easier now than it used to be. That's a meaningful shift for any store owner who's ever felt stuck with a design they didn't love. Number 10, and this one might just become one of your favorites, saving and reusing your most common Sidekick prompts with skills. If you found your set of prompts that work, getting you that exact analysis you need, such as analyze all of my retail sales data from this week and find the best performing product. You shouldn't have to save it in your notes and copy-paste it or type it out every time. Sidekick skills let you save any prompt as a shortcut, triggered by a slash command. 2 ways to build one. Type slash directly in the chat window. Sidekick will prompt you to create a new skill from there. Or write out your full prompt first and send it to Sidekick. Then hover over the text box and click the skills icon to save it. Either way, you name the shortcut, edit the instructions if needed, and hit save. Next time you need it, type slash in the chat, select the skill from your saved list, and it runs with 0 retyping or copy-pasting needed. The more you use Sidekick, the more useful this gets. You can add a skill for your weekly inventory check, your restock prompt, your AOV analysis, anything you find yourself asking on repeat. Over time, you're building a personal toolkit that runs your store ops on command. 10 down, 10 more in part 2. Congratulations! You've made it to the end, and now you're equipped with 10 actionable ways to use Sidekick to accelerate your store and your sales. Part 2 covers the more advanced side, the app builder, where Sidekick generates a fully working custom app for your store, and mobile editing, which brings full theme customization to your phone. Subscribe to Learn with Shopify, an official Shopify YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new upload. Let us know in the comments below, which of these 10 hacks are you going to try first? The best comment will get pinned to the top. See you in part 2.